What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. And today we are doing something to the 10th Gen Civic Si and we are getting it ready for winter. Winter, yes. So I've currently put new wheels on there. I got my winter wheels set up on there. It's not Steely's. I'm gonna show you guys that. We're gonna have to take off the side skirts because they do sit too low, and I'm in debate if I should take off the front lip. I know I've secured it really well, but I'm scared that I'm gonna hit some big ass snow blocks on the road that fall off trucks and stuff, and then I'm gonna ruin the lip. But then the lip protects the bumper, so I don't know. I'm 50-50 on it. We'll see once we're in the midst of taking off the side skirts. The side skirts are gonna come off for sure because I painted them and I don't want them to get all wrecked up. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna head out and give this car a wash because it is absolutely filthy. I'm gonna go to a Touch-Us In-N-Out car wash. I'll bring you along, maybe do a few rips so you guys can hear and see the new setup. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, go check it out. It's the PRL intercooler with the charge pipe. The car absolutely rips now, especially with the colder weather. The car flies. Third and fourth gears nuts. Check that out. We'll do some pulls in the car today as well. I'm gonna show you how it looks, but I'm not gonna show you the wheels. I'm just gonna show you the front end. Guess down below what wheels you think it is. Pause the video right here and guess down below. They are not aftermarket, so that should narrow the list down quite a bit. And just guess down below and let me know your guesses. And if you get it right, I'll pin it and I'll give some love to the comment. But don't cheat. Don't go skip to the video and check it out. But let's get into the actual video now. Holy shit, this is a long intro. I know, I'm sorry. The car is absolutely filthy. This is the furthest I'm gonna go and show you guys it. Let's get the car wash first. I don't want you guys seeing the wheels just yet. I'm kind of excited to show you guys them. It's nothing crazy, but it gives the car definitely a different look. We're gonna get into the car now. I've warmed it up already, and we're gonna go give it a nice little car wash, and then we'll do some pulls in the car as well with the GoPro strapped to my head. And yeah. I am all strapped up and ready to go. The best is when you actually do this and you're driving around, people look into your car, especially sometimes the windows are lower and they're staring at you like, why the hell does this guy have a camera on his head? Well, when you live where I do, it's the safest thing you can do. But yeah, I'm getting the GoPro set up. We'll go for a little drive and I hope you guys enjoy it. Welcome. We are in our sport mode here. So the car's been driving absolutely fantastic since the intercooler. And it just sounds so good. We're gonna open these windows. Oh, I'm a rebel. Third gear. Not bad, not bad. We're not trying to go too crazy right here. There's way too much traffic. We haven't entered Mexico yet. And once we enter Mexico, then we'll give her a good ripperoonie. We are going to go to this Shell right over here. We're gonna get us a cup of Tim's because it's well needed right now. I'm still half asleep and feeling a little under the weather. But hopefully, yes, their car wash is open. And this is a touchless car wash, which is pretty badass. Epic shot right there. And we are going to give her a bath. Bought in the car wash. We are in line with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. It will be roughly about half an hour to 40 minutes. This shit takes way too long. All right, so we're gonna wait in this line here, and then after this, we'll go back home, and then you'll see a few shots of the car, and you'll see the new wheels that I'm riding on, which are not bad, not the greatest, but not bad. Some people actually really like them more than others, and if you haven't seen them already, it's because you're not following me on Instagram. So I'll put my little Instagram tag right here. Go follow me on Instagram. Usually on Instagram, that's where I post like previews and things that I do to the car first. So if you want to know what's going on with that car first, go follow me on Instagram. We just hit 5K, which is really, really exciting, and we're almost at 8K on YouTube, which is even more exciting. At 10K, I will do a giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what yet. I want to see if I can work with a company or two and make it something really, really good. But yeah, at 10K, we'll have a pretty badass giveaway with the ideas I have at hand. But yeah, let's get into the car wash. This is just a small little chill vlog, and it's nothing too crazy, but sit back, relax, and enjoy. I literally waited like 45 minutes, almost an hour just to get a car wash. I hope it did a half decent job. Now we're strapped up once again. People are looking at me very, very weird. And we are going to go into the country of Mexico, and do some pulls. And you guys should enjoy it. For any other mods that you guys are wondering what I have that affects my driving, I have the Acuity shifter box, which is probably one of my favorite mods hands down. And I have the Acuity Poco shift knob, which is really, really nice as well in the hand. I do have the Hasport rear motor mount, and that should be pretty much everything. So we're gonna get a first gear here. It's pretty open. And the car pulls nice, man. It pulls so good. Holy shit, like I'm so impressed. I just cannot wait for an exhaust and a dyno tune on this guy. I'm so impressed by it. Wow, man. Let's see if I go down a little more if you guys want to see a couple shifts. Some rev matching right there. And then just... holy shit, man. Honestly, man. Honestly, I've been in 8 gen, 9 gen, 10 gen. Literally for like mod per dollar, this car hands down is the fastest. I've been in full bolt-on 9 gens, I've been in full bolt-on 8 gens, I've been in now almost a full bolt-on 10 gen, and literally this is the fastest bolt-on Civic Si I think we have out there. This thing just rips, man. After this intercooler, I think it helped a lot because I feel like I was overheating a lot. Not technically overheating, but now we're getting consistently cold air through the system, through the motor and whatnot. And this is just like hauling ass right now. I'm impressed. I'm highly impressed. I wouldn't mind racing a full bolt-on 8 gen, full bolt-on 9 gen, because I had a full bolt-on 8 gen, and I just really, from what I feel like, Bud Dyno, I feel like this is faster. I could, of course, be wrong. But like, I don't know, this just feels so much faster. This thing just hauls ass, man. Crazy. We're about 3,500 RPMs in 4th gear right now. Honestly, 4th gear is improved so much since the intercooler. Holy shit, it's improved quite a bit. Wow, that was impressive. 4th gear just continues pulling now. It doesn't die off anymore, which is really, really nice, because before it would just kind of die off. We are in 5th. I'd like to go a little slower. We can drop it to 4th gear, and then another 4th gear pull. It's amazing what a few mods can like do to this car. I'm so used to the 8 gen, and the 8 gen is so much harder to make power. All right, so that was kind of exciting. Here's a little teaser to what happened while we were driving. I give you guys a couple pulls, but we had a race happen. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it in this video or I'll make a separate video for it, but I'll just give you a little teaser right here. Not too bad, the Civic held its own. But let me show you how the Civic is looking for its winter mode. All right, so if you guys haven't guessed yet, these are the wheels we went with. It is actually super bright out here right now. But we went with 09 to 11 Civic Si wheels. They do look quite weird on the car. I'm not like a super big fan. But they are better than Steely's, definitely. And here are the side skirts that we have to take off. And they don't look too bad. It definitely could look better, but what do you guys think? What's your opinion on it? It is just for winter, obviously. I do still have my work Sierra Kais. They're still here. They may get powder coated this winter. If I decide to do it, I'll probably go through Roro, and we'll do something pretty cool with those. But that is her for now. She's looking mighty fine. She did really good. I was not expecting a race, but that was quite interesting. If you guys haven't checked out the side skirt install, I can link that down below. I'm not going to show you exactly how to take them off. This is just a little video just showing you guys what's up and what we're doing. So unfortunately, we weren't able to salvage any of the clips. They got, I guess this weather they get cold, they break a lot easier. But I don't mind replacing the clips because they're just a couple cents comparable to replacing side skirts or repainting them, which were hundreds of dollars. So that's the only downfall of doing this. I'm trying not to break them, but they're breaking so easily. They don't even bend, they just snap. So now I'm gonna tackle the other side. Once I've tackled down, I'll put the car down and I'll show you how the car's looking. I can show you the PRL intercooler and all that if you haven't checked the video of the install down below. And yeah, so they have been successfully taken out. Very, very nice. They are still in good condition. We're gonna clean them up, store them away. And now this is how this guy looks here. It's a little off, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know what it is. It actually looks better. The wheels look better without the side skirts. That makes no sense, but to me it does. What do you guys think? It just doesn't look as low, so the car doesn't look, I don't know, it just looks better. That's odd. Like I said, we're gonna keep the front lip on for now, just because I don't have enough time to do it today. There's a PRL intercooler right there. As you can see, the couplings are there. Here it is. As you can see, that's the piping from the PRL intercooler. We have some piping there as well. The motor is quite dirty. This winter I'm gonna have a task of trying to make this actually look half decent. There's a Cobra intake there. The bad boy himself. The intercooler. You can see it peeking through there as well. It's pretty badass. You can see my broken fog light with every other 10 gen probably has the same issue as I do. And there she is, winter mode. It's ugly, but it's gonna be an ugly duckling because we'll continue to do mods this winter and it'll continue to look really good, but not too bad, not too bad. What do you guys think? That is the winter mode. It is engaged. Like I said, I think I might change the exhaust. I'm gonna remove these muffler tips with a muffler delete. So if anyone's interested in these, DM me on Instagram. They sound great, they look good, but I want a full cap back. What I like about it, it fits the diffuser quite nice. It fills in the gap. This is a Civic, as I say, but yeah, there she is in all her ugly duckling glory. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This was a small little vlog. We had a little bit of everything. We got the car wash, we took off the side skirts, we're prepping for winter. You saw my new wheel setup. We had a race, which may or may not be in here, I'm not sure. I'm debating. Once I go through the footage, I'll decide. If it is, what do you guys think? If it's not, just wait till the next video. But yeah, so I'm looking at the car right now. It is different, but I feel like it does look better without the side skirts. It makes no sense, but to me, it just looks better. It just looks more stockish, I guess, so the wheels don't look so off. If you guys like the wheels, comment down below. If you'd like to see different wheels, comment down below. And if you guys have any video ideas, once again, for the third time in a row, comment down below. I want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. You are the best. I love you guys. Our goal for 10K is coming near. We're almost there. We're almost at 8K. Let's keep pushing. Like, comment, share if you guys enjoyed it. Tell your buddies. Subscribe down below. I love you guys. Peace out. Do it once. Do it right. Later.